Hello and good morning everyone, welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Saturday and let's get right to the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, of course, you can currently see Bitcoin is right now at a very breaking point. We are sitting around the monthly open level. As you can see right here, yesterday we dipped down below it, but then price recovered above this level very fast. And right now the question is, since we lost the POC of this very key range that we have been trading in basically right here for the past, if we measure from right here, for the past 190 days, basically it does not look that great to me right here, to be honest. I would like to potentially see a bearish retest of the POC coming into Monday and then potentially go for the range lows that this target basically sweeping those lows right here that we have been talking about ever since price was trading above here. Of course, the bullish target was the value area high of this range, but as of how things are looking right now, price does not seem that strong for such a move up like we had last time right here. And this accumulation, so to say, that this range right here is starting to look more and more like this one that we had right here before the next major leg down to around $50,000. From we went from 96 all the way from down to 60,000. So right now, if we consider the same move, if we go right here on the weekly, for example, if we consider the same move, we could go down as low as $49,000 to $48,000 to sweep this low. Of course, we are not forgetting the bullish weekly divergence right here, which is of course going to be playing out, but it could take a major dip first in order for this to happen. Mostly the yearly pivot S3 is my final target, basically a little sweep below this low right here from August 2024 during the summer range that we had right here, and basically the yearly pivot could get retested before price actually reverses. Same thing right now for most of the altcoins. Ethereum right here at very key level. If we lose the POC and the value area low basically, which is trading at around 1,700, then we could go down to sweep this level that we front ran. Basically we front ran the lows from April 2025. Bitcoin actually, you can see Bitcoin of course swept those lows, but Ethereum has not yet. So a move down to there could be very well possible. That's gonna be like 26% of a move, and potentially those lows right here, I don't think they could be swept, but it is also possible. That could be a big move like 52%, but I don't think that this is likely, since last time measured from the all-time high went down 81%, and right now if we go down 81%, we are just going to be above this low right here. So I don't believe it is going to get swept. Mostly right now the target for it is this low right here from the tariff lows. Solana right now, if it starts dropping, it could go down a little bit lower. Basically Solana could go down to 60 or maybe even in the low 50s to 40s. It is possible, but mainly like $34 from those highs right here from the bear market is possible for Solana. That's gonna be like 55% of a move. Hype right now on the other hand is almost retesting this monthly pivot right here. We front ran it for a bit. It could still get tested in the next coming days, so be on the watch out for that. Sui right now also looking very weak. XRP is trading around $1. It actually dipped down below $1 right here, 0.98 cents. Stock market closed bullish the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq did close quite bullish. The dollar potentially also closing bullish right here, forming something like a triple bottom. You can clearly see, so I would not be surprised if we get another retest of those resistance levels above us once the next week comes. For the short term for Bitcoin, you can see open interest going up, price going down, CVD going down, which of course means that there are new shorts entering the market, and there are quite a few since open interest has risen quite a bit. So lots of new shorts right here. On the liquidation heat map, this is why I am potentially expecting a bullish move to come on Monday to around the PUC right here at around 64, since we do have lots of liquidity sitting above us, which I do believe could get taken out, but we could just start dropping lower. It is not necessary for Bitcoin to actually sweep this level. Fear and Greed index sitting at 36 right here. Nothing has changed that much. Spot ETFs, let me just refresh. Basically the past 3 days for this week, it has been 4 out of 5 days have been bearish with quite a big sell-offs. Long versus shorts ratio for the day right now, you can see we do have more shorts sitting overall on the major exchanges. We did have all of our news for this week. Next week is looking a little bit better. We do have some FOMC meeting, and unemployments, basically Wednesday and Thursday are going to be the important days for next week. So be on the watch out for those days, and I do believe that this would cover it for today. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.